Hello, today we'll show you how to delete all browsing data from your Samsung Galaxy A9. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now let's open our Google Chrome browser, and in here we just have to select the one in the upper part, and now we have a more options menu. Let's click it and access settings, and in settings let's scroll down and select privacy. After that, let's scroll down once more, and here we have clear browsing data. Let's click it, and now I can select if I want to clear browsing data in the basic sense or the advanced one. I can also select it by the time range. Do I want to delete browsing data only from the last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or even all time? Let's select all time and click clear data. And just like that, all of our browsing data has been cleared. We can also access the advanced option, and here we can select what do we want to delete by ourselves. So we can delete browsing history, cookies, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill, site settings and media licenses. I'll select all of them. You can delete them how do you like, and I'll select all time, and once more clear data. And that's it. All of the browsing data has been deleted from our browser and we're ready to go. Hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.